Oh, honey, I have a surprise for you.
What?
It'll cheer you up. Look.
What's that?
Remember the book I read to you, The Bird of My Soul?
That was really a long time ago.
Yeah.
I don't really remember.
Oh, well, here's the bird of your soul. It's a talking bird. Talk to it and it'll make you feel better.
Hi. I was really feeling really bad, so I was just wondering if you could help me.
Zoe, why don't you come and play with us, honey?
Okay.
Do you love Mia? I love Mia. Don't worry. It's okay.
It's okay.
Everything's gonna be okay. That is amazing.
Yeah, amazing.
I love it. Would you like a bird of your soul too?